Hi guys, welcome to my channel RAIHAN'S Soft Studio. It's a channel about tech and IT related things and software tutorials. Now we are going to start our new video about how to improve a landscape photo in Photoshop. First we have to click File and then click Open. Then we have to click the photo we want to edit and then click Open. See, the photo is in Photoshop screen. Here are the tools we are going to edit the photo. First we have to select the brightness and contrast tool. And we have to adjust the brightness and contrast. First I will go to contrast and see how the photo is changing, and I'm adjusting the contrast. Then I'll go for the brightness. But I'll leave it to 0. I'll not change it. Then I'll hit cross and I will select the curves tool. It's about brighten and darken photos and edit the light in the photo. See, the brightness and darkness is changing in the photo. I think it's enough. Then I'll hit the cross. Then I'll go to hue and saturation. Saturation is about to change the amount of color in a photo. See, the amount of color is changing. Then I'll edit the hue. You have to look at the change of the photo. Then I'll go to the color balance. Here are the layers. Then I'll go to color balance. And I'll increase some red colors. And go to yellow. See, the photo is about red and yellow objects, so we should concentrate in red and yellow colors. Then I'll go to the selective color, and in the red option I will adjust the can. Then I'll adjust the magenta. Then the yellow. And at the last I will adjust the black. See how I'm adjusting the photo. You have to look at the photo. Then I'll go to the yellow option. And then do the same thing, adjusting the can, adjusting the magenta, adjusting the yellow and the black. I think it's good, right? Yeah, it's good. Then I'll hit the cross. And you can see the photo has a huge change. And see how the layers, the changed layers are in the layer bucket. I mean the layer tray. And then we have to save the photo. To save the photo, go to File and click Save As. And there's the option, two options are most used, the JPEG and the PNG. I'll go for JPEG and name the photo as Photoshop 1. And then click Save. And in this tray I will select for large file and click OK. Now the photo is saved. Now we go and see the change. see how the photo was before and how it is after editing. Okay guys, the video ends here. If you like this video, please subscribe me and hit the bell icon and like the video and share it. Goodbye.